Hello, I'm Anne Hoff. I'm a certified conscious discipline instructor, and I'm here to invite you to our 2-day event, Helping the Helpers. We created this event specifically for mental health providers. That includes school social workers, school counselors, behavior interventionists, therapists. As mental health providers, we are not immune to our own compassion fatigue. We are not immune to the stress and the overwhelm that comes with managing the well-being of others. When there are mental health struggles, natural disasters, the loss of a family member, when there's school tragedies, we are often called into situations of crisis, and we haven't had a moment to reflect on our own experience and our own triggers and therefore regulate ourselves. Conscious discipline can offer us unique skills and tools that we can use to access our own calm. Join me and my fellow certified instructors as we create a space for you to reflect on the work you do, re-energize you, participate in experiential activities to help you further internalize the powers and skills of conscious discipline and increase your skill sets to be able to be the calm in the storm and provide effective, attuned responses to all those that you support as the helper. From my heart to yours, I wish you well.